Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Kawasaki EX250R Ninja. This bike has just 31 miles on it and is in mint condition. It is all stock, so let's take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike, like I said, has only 31 miles on it, so it's basically still brand new. Tires on it are in mint condition. No dents, no scratches, no rock chips. Plus, with this bike being all stock, you can do whatever you want to it. Okay. 31.6 miles. This 250 Ninja will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.